So students, our next video on functional groups is how are functional groups named in organic compounds. Are they named as suffixes or they are named as prefixes? Remember, if a functional group is the primary functional group of an organic compound, then they are named as suffixes. That means at the end of the name, we shall write what they belong to, means acid or ester or acid halide and whatever. But if they are considered as a branch, now when is a functional group considered as a branch? If there are more than one functional group attached to a hydrocarbon series, or you can say alkyl group, then one of them or two of them, depending on how many functional groups are attached to the alkyl group, only one will be named as suffix and all the others will be named as prefixes. Okay, now only the primary functional group whose character will define the whole compound will be named as suffix, and the rest of the functional groups will be named as prefixes. Now one by one I shall write what these functional groups are named as in organic compounds as suffixes and prefixes. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 is COOH. COOH is named as oic acid. As a suffix, it is named as oic acid, and as a prefix, it is named as carboxy. It is named as carboxy. Then coming to SO3H, it is named as sulfonic acid as a suffix, and as sulfo as a prefix. Then coming to COOR, which represents an ester, it is named as alkyl OH as a suffix, and alkoxy carbonyl as a prefix. Then your COX, that is acid halide, it is named as oil halide as a suffix, and halocarbonyl as a prefix. Then CONH2, which represents an amide, is named as amide as a suffix, and as carbamoyl, CARBAMOYL, carbamoyl as a prefix. Then moving to CN, which represents a cyanide, is named as nitrile, NITRILE, nitrile as a suffix, and cyano, cyano as a prefix. Then moving to CHO, which represents an aldehyde, it is named as AL as a suffix, and formyl, FORMYL, formyl as a prefix. Then C with a double bonded O, that is representing a ketone, it is called one as a suffix, and oxo or keto as a prefix. Oxo, OXO, oxo or keto as a prefix. Then OH, which represents an alcohol, is called ol as a suffix, and hydroxy as a prefix. Then SH, that is thiol, it is named as thiol as a suffix and mercapto, mercapto, mercapto as a prefix. Then NH2, which represents an amine, is named as amine as a suffix and amino as a prefix. Amino as a prefix. Then this is alkene, so it is named as ene and there are no prefixes to it. Remember, there are no prefixes to it. Then this is alkyne, so we write YNE and again there are no prefixes to it. Then this O represents an ether. An ether is named as, there are no suffixes to an ether, but it can be named as epoxy, EPOXY, epoxy as a prefix. Then NO2, again it does not have any suffix, but it is named as nitro as a prefix. And this represents halogens, Cl, Bri. Yes, this also does not have any suffix and it is named as halo, that is chloro, bromo, iodo as a prefix. I hope you understand. COOH, oic acid suffix, carboxy prefix. SO3H, sulfonic acid suffix, sulfo prefix. COOR, alkyl OH suffix and alkoxycarbonyl prefix. COX, alkyl halide, acid halide, oil halide as a suffix and halocarbonyl as a prefix. CONH2, it is an amide, so it is named as amide as a suffix and as a prefix it is named as carbamoyl, CARBAMOYL. Then CN, cyanide, is named as nitrile as a suffix and cyano as a prefix. Then CHO, which is an aldehyde, is named as al as suffix and formyl as prefix. C double bonded O, which is a ketone, is named as one as a suffix and oxo or keto as a prefix. Then OH is named as all as a suffix and hydroxy as a prefix. SH is named as thiol as a suffix and mercapto as a prefix. Then NH2 is named as amine as a suffix and amino as a prefix. Then alkene is ene as a suffix and there is no prefix to it. Then alkyne is named as ine and there are no prefixes to it. Then ether has no suffix but it is named as epoxy as a prefix. Then NO2 is named as nitro as a prefix and X, that is halogens, are represented as halo, that is chloro, bromo or iodo as a prefix.